Hello everyone, welcome today. Yesterday on Friday, last day of the week, working week. Friday, July the 15th, 2022. Yes, we have two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And we have here also an additional, let me show you, with I believe 7 extra puzzles. Come on. Where's the 7 extra puzzles? We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic with two tectonics. They call it cipher block in Dutch with 4 stars and one with 1 star and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. I will solve also these 2 regular puzzles. News of today. Well, let me show you the news of today. A lot of baggage here in Schiphol. That's the our national airport. Yes, we have no people who can put the baggage in the plane, so all the baggage are here behind in the airport. Well, South Europe, a lot of fire here. In the forest, South Europe, we have a heat wave coming up this week, but in Europe, South Europe, there are a lot of fires. Yeah, fires in the roots. France, yeah, we have Portugal. All the houses are in fire. Spain here. Yeah, it's very hot there. Warm. 45 degrees, I believe. Yeah. So I don't want to go there for holidays. Too hot. Alright, let me continue with the puzzles. Enough with the daily news. We go to the Sudoku Light. Sudoku Light number. This will be number 4854. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 36 printed digits. 36? Well, each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this should be faster than the 50 minutes. That's the time limit, faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. In the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, okay. How about the 2 then? 2, can I do something with 2? Only 2 2s will be difficult, then will be difficult. 3s, well, only 3 3s will be difficult. but I can fill something with the 3s. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay, how about the 4 then? 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Alright. Okay. How about the 7? 7. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. 5 7s. Okay. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, lucky 7, yes. Alright. Then, how about the 8? Can I do something with the 8? Well, let me see. Or the 6, let me do something with the 6. There's a lot of 6s here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Okay, how about 8 then? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the third row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8, I believe. Yeah, I need to wait. Yeah. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first column. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 6, number 9. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes for a Sudoku Light. Yes, 36 printed digits should be an easy, very easy puzzle to solve. Yes. Well, thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the next puzzle. The next puzzle is a Sudoku heavy. Well, this one will be a heavy one. So see you then. Bye bye for now.